Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Let's go ahead and talk about what we're doing today. Today, we're going to be working on I can identify properties and rules of multiplication and division. So, let's come right over to Google Classroom. When we go here, we're going to go to the second one down. It says Concept Map for Division Rules and Multiplication Properties. This is going to take us to a concept map. What a concept map is it gives you directions to go to, and it also gives you choices with those directions. So what we're going to be looking at right now is, let's just say I gave you the problem 4 divided by 1 equals something. We don't know what that is. What we can do is we can go ahead and use this concept map to figure out, number one, what the property is. Alright, so let's take a look here. It says 4 divided by 1 equals. First off, we need to figure out, are we multiplying or are we dividing? Well, by looking at it, we know we are dividing. So we're going to go ahead and focus on this part of the concept map. Now, if I look down here, we have dividing. Are we dividing with a 0? Or are we dividing by a 1? Again, look at these lines right here. They're going to point to us what we're doing. Are we dividing with a 0 or are we dividing with a 1? Well, I can tell that we are dividing with a 1. So that means this is the ones in division. That's the ones in division property. And we know with the ones with division property, if you divide anything by 1, it's going to be whatever the answer is, whatever the dividend was. So there's that. So let's try another one. Let's just say I had 4 times something equals 8, and then something times 4 equals 8 as well. Now first off, notice, am I multiplying or am I dividing? Well, right now, I know I'm multiplying, so I'm going to go ahead and focus on this side now. And I have 3 choices. Do I have flipped factors? Am I multiplying by 1, or is it being multiplied by 0? Well, let's look here. I notice that my factors are being flipped right now. So that means that this is the commutative property. And also, I know that the commutative property, we just flip our factors around. I know that 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. So that's how we use our concept map to help us figure out what the properties are as well as the rules are. Thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll talk to you later.